Directing means managers supervise, motivate, lead and communicate with their teammates. But personality, behavior, goals, interest, background, expectations of each employees vary. It makes directing the employees a complex activity. And thus principles of directing can guide the managers on how to effectively direct. Maximum individual contribution. Managers should first understand the employees and accordingly design suitable motivational plans for every employee. This will bring out untapped energies of employees for the efficiency of organization. Harmony of objectives. Employees may expect attractive salary and monetary benefits to fulfill their personal needs. But the organization may expect employees to improve productivity to achieve expected profits. Therefore, managers with effective directing should provide harmony by convincing employees that high productivity complements attractive monetary benefits. Unity of command. Effective direction requires that each employee should receive orders from one superior only to avoid confusion, conflict and disorder in the organization. Appropriateness of direction technique. One employee can perform better if offered good salary, other may want promotion, other may want recognition and other may want all of them. Therefore, managers should use appropriate motivational and leadership techniques that drives the employees to their best performance. Managerial communication. Directing should convey clear instructions to create total understanding to subordinates. Through proper feedback, the manager should ensure that subordinates understand his instructions clearly. Use of informal organization. Managers should spot and make use of informal groups for effective directing. Leadership. Managers should exercise good leadership as it can influence the subordinates positively without causing dissatisfaction among them. Follow through. Mere giving of an order is not sufficient. Managers should follow it up by reviewing continuously whether orders are being implemented accordingly or any problems are being encountered. If necessary, suitable modifications should be made in the directions.